Hello fellow investors and money makers, welcome back to Think Money Magazine. We share information and tips to help you make money, invest your money, etc. If you want to see more of this content, be sure to leave a like. It helps to get this video in front of many other people. So thank you. Let's get into today's topic. So you have saved up some money and you are ready to get into the property market. Here are 5 important pointers when buying and selling property. If you are selling your property. 1. Appoint a competent conveyancer with a proven track record. 2. If you sell via an agent, appoint a competent agent with a proven track record. 3. Locate your original title deed and keep it safe. Your conveyancer will need to lodge it in the deeds office. If you have a bond over the property, the title deed will be with the bank. 4. Have your sale agreement checked by your conveyancer before you sign it. 5. Disclose any latent defects of which you are aware. If you are buying property. 1. Check everything that you possibly can on the property. Open the taps, flush the toilet, switch on lights, lock and unlock doors, etc. 2. Make sure that any agreement regarding the property is included in the offer to purchase, e.g. if the pot plants are to remain, if a leak is to be fixed, if a room is to be painted, etc. 3. Have your attorney check the offer to purchase before you sign it, and make sure you understand everything in the agreement. 4. Ask whether there are any latent defects that the seller is aware of, and record it in the agreement. 5. Request a copy of the approved building plans and check them against the structures on the property. Leave a comment or question in the description box below, and we will try our best to answer your questions in the coming videos. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and once again hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you.